That is fun.
I'm Adam Brennan from AEVA Bikes. We represent Suron in Australia. We've been doing this for 2 years now.
And tell us about the bikes, mate.
Okay, so the bikes are twin spar aluminium frame motorcycle, mid-drive. They run through a reduction. So we've got a belt drive primary, chain drive secondary. Gives the motor a reduction of 7:1. The bike weighs just on 50 kilos. They've designed to get the maximum performance and power to weight ratio using mountain bike components.
So how do they compare against traditional motorbikes?
It's hard to compare. Half the weight, much less power, but amazing torque, agility, acceleration.
So they're pretty quick on the twisties?
Definitely. More suitable on single tracks than a 450, the real tight stuff. Personally, I think they're awesome. Plenty of customers who think they're awesome as well. Easy to customize and upgrade. Most of our customers are doing this sort of stuff. Brakes and suspension upgrades, riser bars, grips and bar ends. All these components bolt straight on. Easy to customize the bike.
And how are you met when you meet other riders on the tracks?
A lot of skeptics, but most people get off the bike and are amazed and surprised at the performance. Mostly impressed. Most people don't want to get off it, so it's always a good sign.
Sounds like me.
Okay, you can check us out on aebikes.com.au or suronaustralia.com.au. YouTube channel, Suron Australia.
Alrighty, well thank you very much for showing us around.
Cool.
You'll get me riding this later.
Yeah, awesome.
Thank you.
Cheers.